morning, and thank you for us this morning. I'm Katrina Smith. Gary's off today.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And you bring nice weather this week.
Yes.
I think everyone is so tired of the rain. Eric and I were talking about it over the weekend. It's like every other day it seemed to rain, but we have a nice stretch coming up.
Yes, so today, tomorrow, Wednesday, even a little bit of Thursday is going to be nice, so I'm super excited for it.
I think I am too. Can't wait to get outside.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. This morning, we're actually just seeing a few very light pop-up drizzles, especially in Madison County moving through. This is due to a weak cold front, but we will be mostly dry today, starting off with some cloud cover, making way for some sunshine in the afternoon and evening. We're pretty warm and humid outside. We're in the 60s, 67 degrees in Whitesboro and Earlville, 66 degrees in Westmoreland, and that dew point at 61 degrees, so a little bit humid. Today we see a weaker cold front move through. It does drop the dew point for the next couple of days, and we are going to be seeing sunny skies for the next couple of days. But today we're going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover. It's going to be humid, but still it's going to be mostly dry today. An overall nice day, but a light haze is possible due to a little bit of wildfire smoke still coming in from Canada. So light haze is possible today. Shouldn't cause any air quality issues, but it's just something to keep in mind. And then after today, tomorrow, Wednesday, even a little bit of Thursday will be sunny and nice. So for today, expect extra cloud cover, but we do see some peaks of sunshine later. We'll reach the upper 70s and be a little bit breezy. I will talk more about that wildfire haze and the chance of some showers this morning coming up, Katrina.
Hannah, thank you so much. Southern California.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. We are going to be pretty nice for this week. As for today, we see some morning clouds, maybe a passing drizzle, and we will be seeing some sun this afternoon, but it's possible we see a light haze due to some wildfire smoke coming in, but that does clear out tonight. We will be seeing some sunshine, lower humidity tomorrow. Same thing for Wednesday with highs in the mid-70s. Then as we head into Thursday, we'll be mostly dry for the morning, early afternoon with the possibility of a few scattered showers coming in later in the day. And then we do see some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Friday. This is due to our next low pressure system. Then we'll dry out again for Sunday. So it's going to be less windy as well. I know it was windy over the past couple of days. Saturday, very windy outside. A little bit breezy today, and then we will be seeing calmer winds for tomorrow and Wednesday. So I would say tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be the two best days of this week. We get windy again on Thursday. Katrina.
All right, thank you, Hannah. Well,
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out cloudy and a little bit muggy this morning. We will be seeing some sun come in later. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Starting out with cloudy skies, humid conditions. We are seeing a weaker cold front move through at this time. So it is bringing in the chance of a few areas of drizzle. As we can see here, a little bit of light green moving towards Madison County. This is our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. So light drizzle is possible this morning, but we look mostly dry, just seeing extra cloud cover and humid conditions. 62 degrees for that dew point, so it is feeling a bit warm outside this morning because our temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s. We have 67 degrees in Westmoreland and Whitesboro, even 68 degrees already in Deansboro. Looking to the south, we have 64 degrees in Hamilton. We'll reach the upper 70s today, and we'll see some sun come in later this afternoon, but it is possible to see some light haze due to wildfire smoke once again from those Canadian wildfires. So just a lighter blue color for our near surface smoke map today. So it shouldn't cause any air quality issues. It's just something to keep in mind that it's possible we see some light haze through today, but this looks to clear out by this evening. So a great day to spend outside today as we do see some extra cloud cover, but we remain mostly dry. The sun comes out later this afternoon, but it's possible to see some light haze. No air quality issues though, but still nice day to spend outside today. It is going to be warmer and humid. Tomorrow and Wednesday are two very nice days coming in. It will feel pleasant, calmer wind speeds with sunshine, low humidity, and highs in the mid-70s. So if I had to pick days out of this week that are going to be the best day to be outside, I would definitely cloudy, say tomorrow and Wednesday. So on our skycast today, extra cloud cover at noon, still just partly sunny. Haze is possible as well. We'll be near 70 at that point, and then we'll be in the mid to upper 70s for the high temperature with a little bit of a breeze. Tonight, that smoke clears out and those clouds clear out as well. We'll fall to the lower 50s, and tomorrow we will be seeing some sunshine. At noon tomorrow, we'll be in the lower 70s with sunshine and the mid 70s for the high temperature. Also, it will not be as humid. So for today, expect higher humidity. We'll be seeing some extra cloud cover, some light haze with a few peaks of sunshine later. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s, and tonight we drop into the low 50s as that haze and those clouds start to clear out. We'll be seeing some sunshine tomorrow and Wednesday with low humidity. Highs are going to be in the mid 70s, so 2 really nice days coming in. The chance of showers starts Thursday afternoon due to the cold front, and the cold front produces some scattered thunderstorms for Friday. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Time now is 5:20. Katrina Smith. Gary's off.
And I'm Swim Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And we're happy to see you today because you have good news when it comes to the weather department. A nice
Yes.
stretch of beautiful weather.
Yes, so yesterday was nice, and then we should be seeing nice weather through Thursday this week, which is a nice change from, the rain and even like the windy conditions we saw over the
Yeah, I
weekend.
think we'll all take it. I mean, I broke out a pumpkin candle.
I know, I'm so
I was
excited
being
for
made
fall
fun
too.
of on Saturday.
Yeah.
I broke it out and I was like, hey, the weather says fall, so I'm going to pretend it's fall today.
Yes.
But I'm glad that summer's not over yet.
Yes, not just yet.
Yeah.
But let's take a look now at the York Full Battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are mostly dry on our radar this morning, but there is a weak cold front moving through this morning. That brings in the chance for a few spotty drizzles. We can see just a few pops up of very light green here on our radar, so that's possible this morning. We also are going to start out with cloudy skies and warm and humid conditions. We're in the mid to upper 60s, 67 degrees in Westmoreland, Whitesboro, and in Earlville. That dew point is at 62 degrees, so a bit muggy to start. We will continue to see humid conditions today, the clouds making way for some sun this afternoon and evening, but it's possible to see some lighter haze. So cloudy and humid to start. We will be seeing some peaks of sunshine later, but some light haze is possible due to wildfire smoke moving back in, but it shouldn't cause any air quality issues, just something to keep in mind. And then even after today will be really nice and sunny for the next 2 days, tomorrow and Wednesday. So today expect dry conditions. We are going to be cloudy to start with a few peaks of sunshine later. Highs reach the mid 70s. I will talk a little bit more about that light haze that's possible today. Coming up, Katrina.
Hannah, thank you. And don't forget, the storm's never more than 10 minutes away. President Biden and
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We will be seeing clouds for most of this morning, some light haze as well, but later we are going to be seeing a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine, and that haze will clear out tonight. Then we do see mostly sunny skies for tomorrow and Wednesday, 2 really nice days coming in before the clouds return a little bit more on Thursday ahead of our next cold front that will move through. So this week we are going to be right around and below average for this time of year. The average high is 78 degrees. We will range in the mid 70s for most of this week, and in the lower 70s towards the weekend. Our average low is 58 degrees, so we will be below that for the beginning of the week and then above that as we head into the end of the week. So if you did have to do anything outside, maybe mow your lawn or do any yard work, it is going to be nice over the next few days to do that. We will be dry today, and then tomorrow and Wednesday, 2 really nice days with low humidity and sunshine. Katrina.
thank you so much, Hannah. The Mohawk Valley Hate and Bias Prevention Regional Council is healing hate with art at Muncie.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and muggy conditions this morning. Today, we will be seeing some peaks of sunshine coming in later. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. It is going to be cloudy to start. It's feeling warm and muggy outside as well, and it's possible we see a little bit of haze coming in again from wildfire smoke. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry though. Very small possibility of seeing a passing drizzle this morning. This is due to this weak cold front moving through. It does move through by this afternoon, but this is what's bringing some extra cloud cover this morning, a little bit of a breeze, and those muggy conditions. 62 degrees for the dew point this morning. This will drop tonight, and we will be seeing lower humidity over the next 2 days. We are also pretty warm, mid to upper 60s, 67 degrees in Whitesboro and Westmoreland, 68 degrees in Deansboro. Looking to the south, we're a little bit cooler, 63 degrees in Cooperstown and in Norwich. This morning and afternoon, it's looking like there's a possibility to see some light smoke and light haze due to the Canadian wildfires once again, so it has returned, but definitely not as bad. We are just in this light blue color for the near surface smoke, and this will be for the morning and afternoon. As we can see, it looks to clear out by tonight, and it's not looking like we are going to be seeing any air quality issues from this. Just keep in mind that there's a possibility we could be seeing a light haze in the sky today due to this wildfire smoke. But still a nice day to spend outside since there won't be any air quality issues and we see a few peaks of sunshine later. It's just going to be more humid today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, that humidity drops. Really 2 nice days coming in with sunshine, low humidity, temperatures in the mid 70s for tomorrow, Wednesday. So if I had to pick 2 days out of this week to spend outside, or the 2 nicest days, it would be tomorrow and Wednesday. So on our Skycast today, as we could see, cloudy skies to start. By noon, we'll be in the low 70s, still seeing that extra cloud cover. And then afternoon, we will be seeing some peaks of sunshine, but that light haze is possible. Tonight, that haze clears out and the humidity drops. Will fall into the lower 50s for the overnight low. And tomorrow, we will be seeing sunshine. We'll warm up to the lower 70s at noon, mid 70s for the high temperature, with calmer wind speeds and low humidity. So for today, expect extra cloud cover to start. We will be seeing highs reach the mid 70s, and it's possible we see some light haze coming in due to wildfire smoke. We are going to be seeing some peaks of sunshine later. Tonight, that humidity drops and the clouds decrease with the low in the low 50s. Tomorrow, we will be seeing sunshine. Same thing goes for Wednesday with low humidity, highs in the mid 70s. Our next chance of rain comes in as scattered showers Thursday later in the day and some scattered thunderstorms on Friday. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Such nice stretch of weather here after we saw all that rain, so we welcome it.
Yes.
All right. Well, the Dreamland theme. Welcome back. Hannah's going to have another check of your Storm Tracker 2 forecast in just a moment. First, though, the big stories you need to know before heading out the door this morning. Tropical Storm Hilary swamped roads, downed trees in Southern California. Concerns over flash flooding are growing. Forecasters say Hilary was the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years, bringing flash floods, mudslides, high winds, power outages, and possible tornadoes even. Made landfall yesterday along the Mexican coast in this sparsely populated area. Hilary could wallop other states with a good chance of becoming the wettest known tropical cyclone to douse Nevada, Oregon, and Idaho. Expected to remain a tropical storm into central Nevada this morning before dissipating. 76th Annual Woodsman's Field Days is in the books. The 3-day event. For joining us, I'm Katrina Smith. Gary has the day off once again.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And you bring with you nice weather for a good stretch, because it was a good, at least a week where it was like rain, a little bit of sun, rain, sun, rain, sun. So now we have a nice stretch.
Yes, so it looks dry for most of this week up until Thursday afternoon. That's when we see our first chance of rain. But
not bad.
For the beginning, it looks dry.
It's a good stretch. We would like to hold on to summer just a little bit longer.
Yes, same.
Thank you.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry this morning, but we are seeing a weaker cold front move through right now. It will still remain dry, but it's possible we could be seeing a passing drizzle, and that's why we are seeing cloudy and humid conditions to start this morning. Our temperatures are pretty high. We're in the mid to upper 60s, so pretty warm outside this morning. 66 degrees in Westmoreland and Richfield Springs, 67 degrees in Whitesboro, and a little bit humid, 62 degrees for that dew point. Today, we will remain mostly cloudy, seeing a few peaks of sunshine later, and then the dew point, the humidity drops tonight for 2 very nice days coming in tomorrow and Wednesday. So we'll be dry today, but it's going to be cloudy, humid to start. We will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine later, but it is possible to see some light haze coming in due to wildfire smoke. It's not looking to make the air quality worse, but it is possible to see a light haze in the air. And then after today, it gets nice and sunny with low humidity for the next 2 days. So today, expect more clouds. We'll be in the mid-70s and will be humid. Haze is possible as well. I will talk a little bit more about the nice weather coming in this week. Coming up, Katrina.
Hannah, thank you. Southern California this morning is soaked and shaken, literally. The region hit with a double punch overnight from Tropical Storm Hilary. And as the wind and rain move through, one of the most powerful earthquakes in decades. NBC's Jay Gray wrote it out and joins us from LA with details.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. Today we are going to be seeing extra cloud cover. Some haze is possible as well from Canadian wildfire smoke, but it shouldn't cause any air quality issues. Few peaks of sunshine are possible later, but it's going to be humid today, probably the most humid day of this week. We see lower humidity for tomorrow and Wednesday. 2 really nice days coming in with sunshine, a little bit of a breeze. Tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be really nice to spend outside. As we head into Thursday, we see the chance of rain coming in the afternoon ahead of our next low pressure system that does bring in some thunderstorms for Friday. Also, I know we did see some windy conditions this past week, even Saturday, very windy outside. Today, just a little bit breezy, and then the wind dies down for those 2 really nice days, tomorrow and Wednesday. It gets windy again on Thursday, but it shouldn't be as bad as this past Friday and Saturday. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Well, people staying at a hotel in
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and warm and humid conditions this morning. Today, we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine later. But let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Cloudy to start, a little bit of a haze in the air. Some wildfire smoke does move back in today, but it shouldn't cause any air quality issues. We are dry at this point on our Yorkville battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We are going to remain dry today, but there is a weaker cold front moving in. That is bringing in this extra cloud cover. Maybe a passing drizzle is possible, and a little bit breezy this morning. It's also pretty warm and humid. That dew point is at 62 degrees, and our sky watchers have our temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 60s. 68 degrees in Clinton and 66 degrees in New Hartford and Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 62 degrees in Hartwick and in Milford. We'll reach the mid to upper 70s today, and we will remain humid as that cold front does move through. Also seeing a little bit of like smoke in the air, so light film in the sky. This is due to wildfire smoke, but we are in this lighter blue color on our near surface smoke map, so it shouldn't cause any air quality issues. It doesn't look too heavy. At this point, our air quality index is at 83. So once it gets over 100, that's when it could be an issue, but it doesn't look to get that way today. We continue to see the smoke in the area up until this evening. That's when it does look to move out. But still a nice day to spend outside. We are going to be dry, seeing more clouds with a few peaks of sunshine later. It is going to be humid today, but the humidity decreases for tomorrow and Wednesday. 2 really pleasant days coming in for tomorrow and Wednesday. We will be seeing mostly sunny skies, a light breeze, low humidity, and temperatures in the mid-70s. So I would say tomorrow, Wednesday, best days to spend outside this week. But on our skycast today, extra cloud cover to start. By noon, still a little bit hazy with some clouds. Temperatures just near 70 degrees. We'll reach the mid to upper 70s today with a few peaks of sunshine and a breeze coming in for later. Tonight will fall into the low 50s as the humidity decreases and those clouds decrease as well. And tomorrow will be really nice. Low humidity, lower 70s at noon, mid 70s for the high temperature with sunshine and calm wind speeds. But for today, it is going to remain cloudy. A little bit of haze comes in as well for that wildfire smoke. We do see some peaks of sunshine later. We'll reach the mid to upper 70s, and tonight we'll see that humidity decrease, the clouds decrease as well for 2 really nice days coming in tomorrow and Wednesday. Mid-70s, sunshine, low humidity. Our next chance of rain comes in Thursday afternoon due to our next low pressure system. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. I think everyone will enjoy that lull of rain and temperatures in the 70s, don't you?
Yes, I will too.
All right, beautiful. Be sure to like us for another half hour. I'm Katrina Smith. Gary has the day off. Is he ever coming back?
I don't think so. He's in Alaska still.
He's probably having a wonderful time and living it up, so I
Yes,
can't wait to
I'm
hear all of his
jealous.
stories when he comes back.
Yes, for sure. And then it's going to be nice this week, which is a nice change.
Maybe we'll make him jealous.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry this morning, but there's a weaker cold front moving through. That is bringing in some cloud cover, and a passing drizzle is possible, but we do look to remain mostly dry today. It's also really warm and humid to start. We're in the mid to upper 60s, 66 degrees in Westmoreland and 67 degrees in Whitesboro and Richfield Springs, 62 degrees for that dew point, so higher humidity is expected today. It will drop for the next couple of days. So today, cloudy and humid. It is possible we see some light haze from wildfire smoke up in Canada. It shouldn't cause any air quality issues, but we will keep you updated on that. We see a few peaks of sunshine coming in later, but tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be the two nicest days of the week with lower humidity and sunshine. For today, though, cloudy, a few peaks of sunshine later. We'll be in the mid-70s. Once again, haze is possible, and I will talk a little bit more about the nice weather coming in for the rest of the week. Coming up, Katrina.
Hannah, thank you. Don't forget, Storm Tracker 24 more than 10 minutes away. President and First Lady are traveling to
The Cooperstown Camp is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We will be seeing a few breaks in the clouds this afternoon for some sunshine, but it is going to be a little bit hazy due to some light wildfire smoke coming in. We see sunny skies, all the haze and the clouds clear out for tomorrow and Wednesday. Two really beautiful days coming in for tomorrow and Wednesday. And then we do see some extra cloud cover approach Thursday due to our next low pressure system moving in. And this week we will be right around and just below average for this time of year. Average high is 78 degrees. We will be in the mid-70s for most of this week. Then we'll cool down a little bit more on Saturday after a cold front moves through Friday. In the beginning of this week, we will be below average for the overnight lows and then above average towards the end of the week. So if you did want to do any yard work, maybe mow your lawn, I would say yes for the next couple of days. Today it's going to be dry, so it should be a good day for that. And then once again, two beautiful days coming in tomorrow and Wednesday. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Quite the festival.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning, and it's warm and humid. We see a few peaks of sunshine possible this afternoon. But let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Cloudy skies to start, and we are seeing a light haze in the sky as well. Some light wildfire smoke has moved back in for today. We are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a weaker cold front moving through at this point. That's what's bringing in these cloudy skies. We saw some spotty drizzle this morning, but we should remain dry now, and a few peaks of sunshine are going to be possible later this afternoon. But we're warm and humid because of this cold front approaching. 63 degrees for the dew point, and our sky watchers have us in the mid to upper 60s. 68 degrees in Clinton, 66 degrees in New Hartford and Westdale, and if we look to the south, we have 62 degrees in Hartwick and in Milford. We'll reach the mid-70s today, but it looks to remain mostly cloudy throughout the day and a little bit hazy. But Nala and her neighbor are just happy that it's dry and not as windy as it was, especially Friday and Saturday. We are going to continue to be dry today with some peaks of sunshine later. So today she is saying hi to Finney, who looks like he's ready for some belly rubs this morning to start the week off right. But we are going to be seeing a little bit of haze once again coming in from Canadian wildfire smoke. It's just this lighter blue color for today, so it shouldn't cause any air quality issues. Our air quality index at this point is at 83. So once that number reaches over 100, that's when it could be dangerous for sensitive groups, but it doesn't look to reach over 100. If it does, we'll keep you updated, and it looks to clear out by tonight. So if you did want to spend time outside today, it's going to be nice and dry, but it's just going to be cloudy and humid. A few peaks of sunshine are possible later, and then once the smoke clears out tonight, the clouds clear out tonight as well. We are going to be seeing 2 beautiful days tomorrow and Wednesday with low humidity and sunshine. So the 2 best days this week are definitely going to be tomorrow and Wednesday. As for today, though, we look to remain mostly cloudy. Even at noon, started to see a few peaks of sunshine, but we're still going to be seeing clouds and hazy conditions. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s with sunny skies by this evening. Overnight, we continue to see those clouds decrease with a low falling in the lower 50s. That humidity decreases as well. So less humid tomorrow, sunny, a little bit of a breeze. Overall, really nice weather. We'll be in the low 70s at noon and the mid 70s for the high temperature tomorrow. But as for today, we are tracking cloudy skies, humid conditions. A few peaks of sunshine are possible later, but we'll still be seeing some light haze from wildfire smoke. Tonight, though, the haze and the clouds clear out as our low falls into the low 50s. Really nice weather set up for tomorrow and Wednesday. We will be seeing sunshine, highs in the mid 70s. Our next chance of rain comes in Thursday afternoon ahead of our next cold front that brings in some thunderstorms on Friday. Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. I think everyone can agree that that is a nice stretch of weather that we see on the calendar behind you.
Yes, especially after last week.
Yep, we can disagree on many things, but we can all agree on that. Thank you, Hannah. Well, passengers aboard a flight.
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us this Monday morning. I'm Katrina Smith. Gary's off today.
And I'm Swim Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And it's a nice start to the day. It was warm when I walked out of the house this morning. I had a t-shirt on.
Yeah, so it's warm and humid to start. It will remain humid today, and then tomorrow and Wednesday, that humidity drops. So I would say tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be the
Top
nicest
10.
days of this
Yep,
week.
absolutely. Get outside and enjoy it while you can. You never know how long it's going to last here in Central New York.
Yes, for sure. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We are dry this morning, but there's a weaker cold front moving through. It brings in the possibility of a passing drizzle, some light green on our radar here. And we are cloudy to start because of that cold front. Warm and humid as well. Our temperatures are in the 60s, 67 degrees in Westmoreland, Whitesboro, Earlville, and in Richfield Springs with that dew point at 63 degrees. So today it does look to remain mostly cloudy with a few peaks of sunshine later. It's also going to be humid. And we are seeing some light haze coming in from wildfire smoke today as well. So a little bit of haze shouldn't cause any air quality issues. And then after all this clears out overnight, we will be sunny and really nice over tomorrow and Wednesday. So for today, expect cloudy skies with a few peaks of sunshine. We'll reach the mid 70s, but a light haze is possible as well. I will talk a little bit more about the nice weather coming in over the next couple of days. Coming up, Katrina.
Hannah, thank you. Southern California this morning is
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with clouds this morning, and it is humid. We will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine later. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. Cloudy and hazy skies to start. We are dry on our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, but we're seeing a weak cold front move through that's bringing in some clouds and humid conditions this morning. We're also seeing some light haze from wildfire smoke. Our dew point's at 63 already, so pretty muggy and warm according to our sky watchers. 65 degrees in Mohawk, 68 degrees in Clinton, and if we look to the south, 62 degrees in Hartwick and in Milford. And today we will be seeing some light smoke coming in due to the Canadian wildfires. It shouldn't cause any air quality issues, and it looks to clear out by tonight. So a nice day to spend outside. It's just going to be cloudy and humid, a little bit hazy, and that all clears up tonight for tomorrow, Wednesday, being really nice, low humidity with sunshine. So 2 really pleasant days coming in tomorrow and Wednesday. But as for today, we are going to be seeing some extra cloud cover. A few peaks of sunshine comes in later. We'll be warm and humid with highs in the mid 70s, and all of this clears up tonight with the low in the low 50s. Tomorrow we will be seeing sunshine, low humidity, a little bit of a breeze, but it's going to be cloudy, really pleasant within the lower 70s at noon and the mid 70s for the high temperature. So for today, expect extra cloud cover, some light haze due to wildfire smoke, a few peaks of sunshine later as we reach the mid 70s, and all of this clears up tonight. The humidity decreases as well, and we are really nice for tomorrow and Wednesday. Sunshine, mid 70s, low humidity. Overall, 2 really pleasant days coming in. We do see the chance of some more scattered showers approaching Thursday afternoon due to our next cold front approaching, and that does bring in some scattered thunderstorms Friday. It cools us down with a few lingering showers on Saturday.
First look at your forecast. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking dry conditions now, but it's still cloudy, and we're also seeing some light haze from Canadian wildfire smoke. Here's a look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. A few pop-up showers to the north, but the rest of us will remain mostly dry today. We're still seeing cloudy skies. Taking a look at our New York State Mesonet cameras, and we're also seeing some light haze due to wildfire smoke, but it's not causing any air quality issues at this point. We're really humid here at this hour, 68 degrees for that dew point. It continues to be humid for the rest of the day until it starts to drop tonight. So we have cloudy skies, humidity today, some light haze as well due to wildfire smoke, but the air quality index is just around 90 right now, so it's not causing any health issues. Once it reaches over 100, it will, but it doesn't look to do that today. After today, it will be sunny and nice the next 2 days with lower humidity. So for the rest of today, expect a few peaks of sunshine, but it looks to remain cloudy and breezy with that haze. I will talk a little bit more about the 2 nice days coming up, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Turning our attention now to
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies still and some light haze due to Canadian wildfire smoke. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Still cloudy here this afternoon. It is warm and humid outside, and we're also seeing some wildfire smoke blowing back in today due to the Canadian wildfires, but it's not causing any air quality issues just yet. On our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, we're still seeing some pop-up showers, especially to the north. Most of us will remain dry, but we do see a light shower moving through just north of Rome at this minute. As of right now, though, we look to remain mostly dry today. These are all due to this weaker cold front that moved through this morning. It did leave behind cloud cover, breezy conditions, and the possibility of a few pop-up showers. Our sky watchers mainly have us in the 70s this afternoon. We have 77 degrees in Mohawk and 76 degrees in Ilion. It's also pretty humid outside, 68 degrees for that dew point, and we will remain humid and cloudy and warm for the rest of the day. A few peaks of sunshine are possible later, but it looks to remain cloudy. So Nala and her neighbor are not really happy about that, but they're happy that it's dry and we're not seeing any rain. Today she is saying hi to Finney, who looks like Finney is ready for some belly rubs here today to start his Monday off right. But they'll be excited because the next 2 days are going to be really nice and pleasant. We just have to get through some smoke still in the atmosphere today. We are in this lighter blue color though on our near surface smoke map. So this means it's light smoke coming in, some light haze. Shouldn't be too heavy and it shouldn't affect our air quality. We're just at 92 degrees or 92 for the air quality index number right now. So anything over 100 is going to be unhealthy, and especially for sensitive groups. So we're just kind of right on that margin, but we have no alerts out just yet from the National Weather Service. And it looks like we should be fine for the rest of the day because this clears out by tonight. And it should be a nice day to spend outside. Maybe if you want to eat outside, it's just going to be cloudy and muggy. It gets a lot better tomorrow and Wednesday with sunshine. That humidity drops for tomorrow and Wednesday as well. And we will be seeing calmer wind speeds. So I would say 2 really nice days coming in tomorrow and Wednesday. A little bit breezy today, and then we get windy again heading into the weekend when our next cold front approaches on Thursday. So on our skycast, we will continue to see cloudy skies today with a few peaks of sunshine possible later, but we will continue to see haze. That haze, the clouds, and the humidity all clear out tonight with the low in the low 50s. Tomorrow is going to be really nice and beautiful with sunshine. We'll reach the lower 70s at noon and the mid 70s for the high temperature with low humidity. So for the rest of the day, expect mostly cloudy skies. A few peaks of sunshine are possible. We're also seeing some wildfire haze, and it's a little bit breezy and humid. Tonight, though, the clouds, the haze, and the humidity all clear out overnight for 2 really nice days tomorrow and Wednesday with sunshine, low humidity, highs in the mid 70s. And our next chance of rain comes in Thursday afternoon ahead of our next low pressure system. Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. A hospital as close as Syracuse. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans over in the Weather Center.
We are tracking cloudy skies and high humidity for the rest of this afternoon, along with some light haze due to Canadian wildfire smoke. Let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see here we are mostly dry, but a few pop-up showers are possible. They are going to be very light and move through very quickly, and that is for the rest of the afternoon as we continue to see cloudy skies on our Mesonet cameras. We're also seeing a mix of some light haze due to Canadian wildfire smoke, but it shouldn't affect the air quality. Our air quality index right now is at 92. It's also very humid here this afternoon, 68 degrees for the dew point, so it is feeling pretty sticky outside. We are going to continue to see cloudy skies and humidity today, along with that light haze due to Canadian wildfire smoke blowing back in. But the clouds, the haze, and the humidity all clear out tonight for a really nice next couple of days. So for the rest of today, expect cloudy skies, higher humidity, breezy conditions, and we'll reach the mid 70s. I will talk a little bit more about the nice weather coming up, Katrina.
Hey, thank you so much, Hannah. Much different conditions.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and some light haze for the rest of this afternoon. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Cloudy skies continue along with some light haze due to wildfire smoke, but the air quality index is not affecting the air quality, or the smoke is not affecting the air quality. Our air quality index at this point is at 92. So that's still kind of on the verge of healthy and unhealthy. If it does reach over 100, though, that's when it will become unhealthy for sensitive groups. But right now, it's still just at 92. We will continue to monitor it for the rest of the day. And along with the haze, we're seeing cloudy skies and a few pop-up showers. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A light shower moving through Rome at this point. We're also seeing a few pop-ups up to the north, just north of Old Forge at this hour. And this is still due to this weaker cold front that moved through earlier this morning, leaving behind cloud cover, breezy conditions, and those pop-up showers. We're warm and humid at this hour. Our sky watchers have us mostly in the 70s. We have 76 degrees in Ilion and 77 degrees in Mohawk with a high dew point, 68 degrees for that dew point. That is pretty humid. It's feeling pretty sticky outside here, and it is warm. We're also seeing that near surface smoke, but it's not a lot today. It's a light haze, this lighter blue color on our map, and it will push out tonight. So once we head into tonight and the overnight, this smoke will clear out and we will be seeing beautiful weather for tomorrow and Wednesday. So if you did want to dine outside, it's going to be dry today, but it's a little bit breezy. It's kind of sticky and it's warm. As for tomorrow and Wednesday, though, that humidity clears out, the sun comes back out, and we won't be too hot. We'll be in the mid 70s. So I would say tomorrow and Wednesday, perfect days for that. We're also not going to be as windy, calmer wind speeds for tomorrow, Wednesday, before the wind picks up ahead of our next low pressure system on Thursday. So as for the rest of today, expect clouds, but we will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine possible. It remains hazy and breezy. Tonight, the clouds, the haze, and the humidity all clear out with the low falling into the 50s. So as for tomorrow, we will be really nice and sunny. Temperatures reach the low 70s at noon and the mid 70s for the high temperature with low humidity. So really nice weather coming in tomorrow. But for today, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies with a few peaks of sunshine possible. It will remain breezy and humid along with that light haze from the wildfire smoke. But all of this clears out tonight for two really nice days tomorrow and Wednesday with sunshine, low humidity, and highs in the mid 70s, so not too hot. We see our next cold front approach Thursday, bringing in some showers in the afternoon and some scattered thunderstorms on Friday. Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Flames are still burning out.
Meteorologist Eric Gage in for Bill tonight, and a couple of spotty showers here and there. Nothing too bad, though, right?
Yeah, a bit of a dreary day. We had clouds, some rain, nothing too major, but it is trending very much nicer as we head into tonight and into tomorrow, too.
Cool.
Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, a few spotty light showers moving through the area from a weak cold front. Behind that, though, we're looking at dry weather, at least for the near term. So again, decreasing clouds this evening. Could be seeing a colorful sunset too. Cool and dry tonight as lows will fall down into the upper 40s to low 50s. But we're looking at a beautiful, fantastic day tomorrow, I should say, with temperatures climbing into the mid 70s with low humidity. But for this evening, though, temperatures in the upper 60s with decreasing clouds. Could be seeing again a colorful sunset. I'll go into more detail what to expect for this coming week coming up. Back over to you.
Happening tomorrow, the Oneida.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. It's been a cloudy start to the work week with temperatures in the low to mid 70s and a few spotty rain showers that should be clearing out for all of us as we head into this evening. Here's a live look at our Nexus camera looking at clearing in the clouds out to the west. But for right now, things are still mostly cloudy for the general central New York area. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a few spotty light showers as expected. There is a cold front moving through our area, but there's a lack of deep moisture allowing these showers to be stronger. So as this pushes through, we're looking at low humidity and clear skies tonight. And in fact, because of the low humidity, it's going to be on the cooler side, looking at overnight lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Look across the North Country right here, 45 Eagle Bay, 48 Ohio. Into the Mohawk Valley, 50s and 40s, 50 Herkimer, 45 Fairfield, and 51 degrees possible in Frankfort. And then finally to the Southern Valleys, 49 Milford, 50 Cooperstown, and also is 50 degrees as well in Garrettsville. And so a rainfall outlook for the next couple of days, starting out with Tuesday, fantastic outdoor weather with low humidity and no rain expected. As we head into Wednesday, rainfall chances will start to rise closer to sunset, a spotty shower or two. Then for Thursday, closer to sunset once more, scattered showers possible, and that lingered early Friday, but by Friday evening, things should be drying out with still some lingering clouds. And the weather setup is unusual. We have a very strong heat dome over the central U.S. However, this is not impacting us here in central New York. I want to take note of some of these showers over here. The remnants of Tropical Storm Hilary at this point will move across the north and then reach our area closer to Wednesday and Thursday. However, the primary rainfall will still stay south. Regardless, there's going to be moisture in the air, and that could spark a few spotty showers between Wednesday night and into Friday. But still, though, for the near future, as winds do come from Canada, looking at low humidity and more early fall-like weather. So to our skycast, skies clear out tonight, temperatures falling into the upper 40s to low 50s. Headed to tomorrow, again, fantastic outdoor weather, highs approaching the mid 70s with, again, low humidity. And then overnight tomorrow night, cooling back down into the upper 40s to low 50s. And then starting out Wednesday with dry conditions, clouds start to increase and a spotty shower or two can't be ruled out closer to sunset for Wednesday evening. And the rainfall chances do increase throughout the remainder of the work week. So again, for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Cool conditions tomorrow. Just a fantastic day outside with highs approaching the mid 70s. And our 7-day forecast, dry weather sticks around for the early part of Wednesday, a spotty shower or two possible Thursday evening, and an early part of Friday, maybe a lingering shower for Saturday too, but we're still following a somewhat of a dry trend heading into the next few days.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you. Well, to Southern California, where Tropical Storm Hillary has moved through, packing torrential rains that turned roadways into rivers.
This is the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in more than 8 decades. Reporter Jay Gray has the latest.
Southern California soaked and shaken during 24 hours of at times severe weather.
This is an unusual and strong storm event with heavy rains and strong winds.
At one point, the state's Office of Emergency Services issuing tropical storm, earthquake, and tornado warnings all within an hour of each other. Tropical Storm Hillary dumping rain from San Diego through Los Angeles. Neighborhoods overrun by the water, roads swamped, some swept away. Gusting winds, uprooting trees and pulling power lines to the ground. Saturated hillsides giving way, rock and mudslides spilling onto highways, and in the middle of it all, a 5.1 magnitude earthquake.
The Los Angeles Fire Department so far has reported no damage or injuries in the city resulting from the earthquake.
In fact, through all of the chaos, officials say there have been no significant injuries, no catastrophic damage, but they warn.
There is still potential, as we know, for flooding, debris flow, and other significant storm-related incidents.
Urging those in the strike zone to remain cautious for the next few days. Jay Gray, NBC News, Santa Clarita.
Coming up, a SUNY Poly professor is getting money.
Back to meteorologist Eric Gage. Got to look at the MoCast for us tonight.
Yeah, start of the week, another MoCast for you. And the best day to mow the lawn this week, in my opinion, is going to be Tuesday. Fantastic outdoor weather with low humidity and plenty of sunshine. A dry start Wednesday as well. Could get it done in the morning. There's a chance for a spotty shower or two closer to sunset. And as well, things look iffy in terms of rain showers for Thursday. So again, the best day to get some yard work done is going to be this coming Tuesday. MoCast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Currently, we do have a few spotty showers in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 dot the radar. A few light green splotches right there. But for the most part, things are slowly starting to dry out as clouds will continue to decrease this evening. We're going to be possibly seeing a nice sunset. And for right now, too, the warmest temperatures are currently in the southern valleys right now. 74 Cooperstown, 70 degrees in Earlville, 70 degrees in Whitesboro, and 68 degrees at Inlet. And for tonight, looking at cooler temperatures down into the upper 40s to low 50s with clear skies. We're talking about what to expect for the week ahead coming up. Back over to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. Staying on the story.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Along with the mostly cloudy skies today, you probably noticed a slight smell of wildfire smoke as well as some hazy conditions. We do have a brief round continuing to push through our area. However, this will be clearing over the next few hours. In terms of air quality, just a slightly elevated risk. 99.9% of us should be fine. Only for those of you who aren't usually sensitive may have a few health concerns with this. But again, this is clearing out. And behind this, no wildfire smoke is in the forecast, at least for the near future over the next couple of days. Now, again, we are looking at mainly overcast skies, a few peaks of sunshine trying to get through, but skies will gradually clear over the next few hours as a few spotty showers come to an end as a cold front lacking moisture moves through our area. And here's again live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 dot the radar. These are continuing to move to the south and to the east. Sky watchers checking in this evening in the upper 60s to low 70s, 68 Old Forge, 65 Inlet. In the Mohawk Valley, 72 Barneveld, 72 New Hartford, 73 Yorkville, as well as 73 degrees in Clinton. And wrapping up with the Mohawk Valley, 72 in Whitesboro, 72 in Paynes Hollow, and to the south, 72 in Hartwick and Milford, as well as 72 degrees in Maryland and 73 degrees in Westford. And talking about our rainfall outlook over the next few days, tomorrow, fantastic outdoor weather. No rain is expected with low humidity and plenty of sunshine. Wednesday starts out dry, increasing clouds, and a chance for a spotty shower or two closer to sunset, but not too bad in terms of overall rainfall. Rainfall becomes more scattered on Thursday, especially as we head into the overnight hours. In the early morning Friday, could be seeing some scattered showers that should come to an end with some lingering drizzle and mainly cloudy skies by Friday evening. And this is all due to a very strong heat dome over the central U.S., bringing possibly record-setting temperatures to a lot of the area. However, we're missing a lot of that heat, especially here in central New York. And as we look at at least from the rainfall path right here, the remnants of Hurricane Hilary moving into our area, primarily south of us. But regardless, we're looking at cooler temperatures, more fall-like conditions as air arrives from southern Canada. So to our skycast. Again, skies gradually clear tonight. Lows falling down into the upper 40s to low 50s. And again, a fantastic day tomorrow with highs approaching the mid-70s with plenty of sunshine and low humidity in an early fall-like day. Tomorrow night, lows back down into the upper 40s to low 50s, increasing clouds throughout the day Wednesday. And again, you can't roll out a spotty shower closer to sunset as a weak system continues to move through our area. So again, for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, highs in the mid-70s, a fantastic day. Our 7-day forecast, rain chances increase late Wednesday, continue for Thursday, Friday, and the early part of Saturday, before things will gradually dry out by the end of the weekend, coming Sunday and Monday.
Forecast at 6. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
We're tracking a few spotty light showers across the area with mostly cloudy skies. However, skies will continue to clear over the next few hours. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 off the radar. Again, a few very weak sprinkles and showers moving through some parts of the area, but things will continue to dry out this evening with possibly a colorful sunset due to high-level clouds out to the west. Things will be dry and very cool tonight as lows will fall into the upper 40s to low 50s. But we're looking at a very nice early fall day, feels like, for tomorrow. But again, this evening, temperatures falling into the upper 60s to low 70s with decreasing clouds. Again, fantastic weather tomorrow. We are talking about rainfall chances throughout the week ahead. I'll got more detail coming up. Back over to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. Staying on the story, after heavy rains washed out portions of the train tracks back on August 8th, the Adirondack Railroad service to Old Forge has resumed. Railroad officials say they completed those repairs last Wednesday, and as scheduled, rail service to Old Forge got back underway last Thursday. Now, service to and from Tupper Lake is still suspended, however, as the damage was more severe there.
A traffic alert in the city of
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening, welcome back. Filling in for Bill this evening. We're talking about a few spotty showers coming to an end with mostly overcast skies. However, things are going to be clearing out this evening and into tonight, and will be a fantastic day weather-wise tomorrow. Here's a live look at our Nexus camera looking to the west. Notice at the very low end of the clouds seeing some clearing, and that'll be the current forecast closer to sunset tonight and possibly a very colorful sunset. And here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 off the radar. Just monitoring a few spotty showers still lingering in the area, coming to an end from a moisture-starved cold front that will continue to weaken as it pushes south and east. Temperatures checking in with our sky watches across the area, starting out in the North Country, 67 degrees Forceport, 68 Old Forge, 65 degrees Inlet. And to the south, 71 Curtis Corners, 72 in New Hartford, 73 degrees in Clinton, as well as 72 degrees in Barneveld. And then to the south, temperatures in the 70s as well. 72 Hartwick, 73 Edmiston, 76 West Lawrence, and in the north, 71 degrees in Cassville. A rainfall outlook over the next several days, starting out with tomorrow. No rain expected, a fantastic day outside with plenty of sunshine and low humidity. Due to the remnants of Hurricane Hilary, I'll get into that in just a minute, there is some increasing rainfall chances closer to sunset Wednesday, and that will continue to increase for Thursday with a few scattered showers closer to the evening, and then early showers possible Friday. That does dry out as we head into Friday evening. So the bigger picture right here, we have a very strong heat dome over the central U.S., basically navigating weather systems around this. Notice what the current rainfall area is out in California. This will sweep up into the north and then move its way south, and we could be seeing a few spotty showers from that by Wednesday night and into Thursday. But regardless, as air continues to arrive from southern Canada, experiencing low humidity and almost fall-like weather for the near term. So for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s with mostly clear skies. A very nice day tomorrow with highs approaching the mid 70s with plenty of sunshine and low humidity. Another cool night in store for us tomorrow night with lows back down to the upper 40s to low 50s, and clouds will increase throughout the day Wednesday with a chance for those spotty showers to return by Wednesday evening. So again, for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Cool conditions tomorrow. Just a fantastic day with highs in the mid 70s. And our 7-day forecast, we do have dry weather tomorrow. Again, rain chances return for Thursday into parts of Friday, lingering to Saturday. But for right now, the second half of the weekend, Sunday and into Monday, still looks dry with hopefully low humidity.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. We're going to go forecast with meteorologist Eric Gage. We've been saying it's been a wet August, and now you've got the numbers to back that up for sure.
Yeah, we've got only 7 completely dry days. This is obviously measuring at Griffiths in Rome, so some days other areas saw rain. It's not been completely widespread, but still, numbers are there. We still have been seeing overall pretty rainy August. In fact, how rainy has it been? Well, a look at the overall rainfall totals so far this month, and you can see just right here, an average August rainfall amount is roughly around 3.85 inches of total rainfall, and we're just in the middle to end of August. We've already picked up almost 5 3/4 inches of total rain, so it's definitely been an above average rainy August, that's for sure. Well, there was no record set. I'm pretty sure the records are currently in the 6 to 6.5 inch rainfall total range. And to the near term right now, things are still cooling down very quickly. Low 60s with clear skies, falling into the low 50s to upper 40s across most of our area with quiet conditions. We're looking at a very nice day tomorrow. We're also tracking the return to some rain showers throughout the week. I'll go into more detail coming up. Back to you, Jason.
All right, Eric, thank you. Staying on the story after.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. After a somewhat gloomy and mostly cloudy Monday, things are going to be shaping up to be very nice as we head into tomorrow. But first, though, looking at chilly temperatures tonight as lows will fall into the upper 40s to low 50s. Right there's a live look at our Nexus camera looking at downtown Utica. Again, quiet conditions, as well as on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across central New York. And in fact, taking a look at temperatures, we're going to be expecting for tonight overall lows, again, dropping down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Looking up at 53 degrees, 46 degrees in Ohio, as well as 53 degrees in Norway. To the south, Utica, 50 degrees, Little Falls, 50, as well as to the southern valleys, 50 in Milford, 50 in Cooperstown, and 50 degrees possible for overnight lows in Edmiston. Now regarding tomorrow, it's going to be starting out on the chilly side, but warming up into the low 70s by noontime and into the mid 70s by 3 to 6 p.m. Wind speeds a little on the breezy side, between 5 to 10 miles per hour, nothing major, but of course weather grades, nothing but sunshine. Going to be a fantastic, will feel like an early fall day with low humidity. And so for the most part, again, dry weather expected for Tuesday. Heading into Wednesday evening, closer to sunset, there's a chance for a spotty shower, but the start of the day looks dry. More rain showers possible Thursday night, lingering into early Friday, but for the most part, Friday evening should shape up to be dry as that weak system, the remnants of Hurricane Hilary, move out of our area. So look at our skycast tonight. Again, overnight lows down in the upper 40s to low 50s, clear skies. Tomorrow, fantastic weather with plenty of sunshine, highs in the mid 70s. Chilly overnight again tomorrow night, back down into the upper 40s to low 50s. And then starting out Wednesday with dry conditions, increasing clouds closer to the evening, and then a chance for a few spotty showers as we head into 5 to later on in the evening closer to sunset. So again for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s, cool conditions. Tomorrow, a fantastic day with highs in the mid 70s. In our 7-day forecast, we're looking at a chance for some spotty showers closer to sunset for Wednesday. Similar for Thursday with more scattered showers. Some showers and storms linger on for Friday, but then we do dry out briefly for Friday evening. But after that, though, Sunday and Monday following that.
Looking like early fall.
Early fall, yeah. It's low humidity.
Not ready for it. All right.
Moving by fast.
Thanks, Eric. Coming up next, cardiac forecast with meteorologist Eric Gage. And, you know, we've talked about August being kind of when it comes to summer.
Yeah.
We haven't seen a lot of dry days so far. More rain than not.
Yeah, everyone's asking, you know, like, when's the summertime coming? And it's been pretty much rainy for the most part for August. Days of rain, we measured at least trace amounts of rainfall at Rome, 13 days. Completely dry days, only 7. So definitely more rain than sunshine. In fact, how much rain we have been seeing compared to other typical Augusts? Well, here is a look at typical rainfall totals for your average August, right around 3.85 inches of rainfall. And so far this month, we've already seen upwards of 5.78 inches of rain. It's definitely an above average August in terms of rainfall. But we are looking at much nicer weather, at least for the near term, as more dry patterns will slowly start to move in. Temperatures are currently in the low 60s. Will fall into the upper 40s to low 50s tonight with mostly clear skies. We're talking about rainfall chances. Not done with the rain just yet over the next couple of days. I'll go into more detail on that coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Staying on the story after heavy rain.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. Filling in for Bill tonight, and we are looking at downtown Utica from our Nexus camera and quiet conditions right now as clouds are slowly starting to clear out as temperatures will continue to fall tonight into the upper 40s to low 50s. Things are quiet right now in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and look to remain quiet at least for the near term until roughly around Wednesday evening. So take a look at overnight lows tonight. Starting out with Raquette Lake down to 43 degrees, Atwell 53, Alder Creek 49. Into the Mohawk Valley, again, those temperatures falling into the upper 40s to low 50s across the I-90 corridor as well. And to the south, still those lower temperatures lingering with the clear skies slowly moving in tonight. Now what to expect for tomorrow, starting out with temperatures in the low to mid 50s by 7 to 8 a.m. Quickly warming up into the low 70s by noontime, into the mid 70s between 3 to 6 p.m. Regarding wind speeds, starting out calm with wind speeds only going upwards of 5 to 10 miles per hour, so nothing windy or breezy in store for us tomorrow. And in fact, weather grades, sunshine across the board, low humidity, going to be a fantastic day to spend time outside. And look at our rainfall outlook over the next 4 days. Again, Tuesday looking entirely dry. Wednesday, a low chance of a spotty shower approaching the evening hours. Thursday, similar story, although rain showers will be a bit more scattered, lingering overnight into early Friday. But Friday evening looks to dry out with mostly cloudy skies, maybe some patchy drizzle. So looking at our skycast for the next couple of days, again tonight, overnight lows falling in the upper 40s to low 50s with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, fantastic weather with early fall-like conditions. Highs approaching the mid-70s with very low dew points and low humidity. And then again, tomorrow night, lows falling back down again into the upper 40s to low 50s. And then starting out Wednesday morning, starting out dry, and then by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, increasing clouds and a spotty shower or two from the remnants, surprisingly, of Hurricane Hilary as they move up into Canada and back down into our area by the end of this coming week. So again, for tonight, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Cool conditions, but dry. And then tomorrow, just absolutely fantastic. Highs in the low to mid 70s with plenty of sunshine and low humidity. Our 7-day forecast after Tuesday. Wednesday starts out dry again. A chance for a spotty shower closer to the evening. A spotty shower is possible for Thursday as well. More scattered early Friday. Friday dries out. And then take a look at Saturday and Sunday. Starting out rainy, but we do dry out by the weekend. Also on that 7-day, looking at no 80-degree temperatures.
I'm seeing that.
Not feeling like August.
Not really liking that. But at least we're not having a lot of rain like they are out on the West Coast.
Yeah, we're really lucking out, especially in the Midwest with the heat dome. Hot, like 100-degree temperatures, we're missing that entirely.
And we're doing fine where we are.